Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday South Texan. Here we are on Friday. We've got some rain in the forecast here in the next few days. So we're gonna get the St. Augustine cut here. It's still a little bit stressed out and thinned out over here on this spot, and you can really see it on this backside over here where the stress is hitting it. But it's only in some spots. The Bermuda is doing good. I only water once a week on my trash day because of the drought, stage 1 drought restrictions. And then we've got, last week we got 1.25 inches rain last week, so that really helped it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all cut and brought back down, looking nice and crispy, so stick around. Alright guys, got the St. Augustine cut. You can see I gotta sharpen my blade. Got some stragglers behind. But I got it cut. Cutting it on 4th notch. So pretty high. Not the highest, but almost the highest notch. Empty the bag and let's get this Bermuda cut down. Hang in there. Alright guys, there it is, the cut's finished. Let me get over here on this side so y'all can see what's going on. And you guys can see the high spots. Alright guys, so the yard's finished and you can see where it's got some yellowing going on. That's high spots where it's getting it's a little high in those areas versus the rest, so it gets a little bit scalped. But it's doing okay. Like I said, we got some rain coming here in the next couple of days, so that's gonna help everything green back up. And then I plan on aerating here in the very short future, so stick around for that. You can see where the dogs lay, how it's so compact right there versus the rest. They like that spot right there, and this spot right here, right there. You can see where they like to lay down, and it gets compact real hard. So I do have a manual aerator, and sometimes I poke around with that guy, but it's hard. So I'm gonna run a gas one this year, a plug aerator, and see if we can't correct that. But yeah, it's been Everyday South Texan, and later.